Merch by Amazon is one of the easiest ways to make passive income online. But let's be real, if you upload random designs, they won't sell. If you copy overdone trends, you'll be stuck in the sea of competition. And if you don't know what's trending, your designs won't get views. But don't worry, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find trending Merch by Amazon shirt ideas before the market gets saturated. By the end of this video, you'll know how to research trending t-shirt designs without guessing. You'll see free and paid tools to track what's selling right now, and you'll know how to validate demand before you upload. You'll also know where to get designs fast. But if you're serious about making Merch by Amazon your passive income, check out my Merch by Amazon tutorial in the video above. Before we start looking for trends, let's talk about what makes a t-shirt successful. Demand is high. If people are searching for it, it's already a winner. Competition is low. If 10,000 people are selling it, good luck standing out. It's niche, but not too niche. A broad audience with a specific hook is ideal. It taps into pop culture, emotions, nostalgia, or humor. Funny, inspirational, or viral topics win every time. An example of a trending t-shirt concept is I survived the TikTok algorithm in 2025. It's funny, relevant, and perfect for creators. Introverted, but willing to discuss cats. It's niche, adds humor, that means easy sales. If you want to scale your merch business, watch my best t-shirt design niche. Now let's get into real research methods that actually work. Amazon best sellers and movers and shakers, it's free, and it's all right there where it's selling. So how to find trending shirts on Amazon? You go to Amazon.com and you search funny t-shirts, funny tees, graphic tees, retro t-shirts, hobby t-shirts. You scroll through the best sellers and the movers and shakers. You look for shirts with high ratings and new arrivals. Those indicate trending designs. If you see a lot of AI or ChatGPT joke shirts, that means the trend is growing. If you notice vintage 90s styles are selling, it's time to start making nostalgia-based designs. Trends move fast. If you see a newly ranked shirt, research why it's trending. And don't wait to hop on the trend. The second best research is Google Trends. The best way to use Google Trends is to validate a t-shirt idea. Go to Google Trends and type in a t-shirt niche, cat mom t-shirt. Change the filter to worldwide and the timeline to 12 months. Then you can check the interest over the year. If the trend is rising, it's a good long-term niche to sell. An example is dinosaur birthday shirt, and it's been growing for years. It's perfect for evergreen sales. If you're building a long-term merch brand, stick with niches that stay relevant. You can also use Merch Informer or Productor to find winning t-shirt ideas. If you use Merch Informer, it is paid, but Productor for Merch by Amazon is free. It's a Chrome extension. I'll put the links in the description down below. So what they do is they show you the BSR, the bestseller rank. The lower the number, the faster the shirt is selling. They use keyword data. They find low competition, high demand keywords. Look for shirts with BSR under 100,000. These are selling consistently. Also find a pattern. Are people buying nostalgic designs, meme shirts, or minimalistic text-only shirts? An example could be minimalistic dad joke shirts. BSR is under 50,000, which means it's a great seller. Funny pickleball shirts, also trending, and you can niche down on these. If a design suddenly drops its BSR, it's going viral, jump on it fast. If you're looking for a viral shirt idea, TikTok and Pinterest are perfect. Go to TikTok to search for trending t-shirt ideas. Type in trending t-shirt ideas or funny t-shirt ideas. Sort by most liked in the last 30 days, and this will show you the viral trends. Read the comments. If people say, I need this shirt, where did you get it? You've got a winner. Mental health matters, but coffee first went viral on TikTok, and people love the relatable humor. AI can't replace my grandma. It's funny, and it's an AI trend. It's also perfect for tech lovers and boomers. If a phrase goes viral on TikTok, design it fast before big brands catch on. Before you waste time creating designs, you need to test demand. Check Amazon BSR for similar shirts ranking under 100,000 to see if it's even worth it. Run a quick $5 Pinterest or Facebook ad to see if people click the design. Post a TikTok poll. Ask, would you ever wear this? And track engagement. List it on Redbubble or Etsy first. If it sells there, it'll sell on Merch by Amazon. I once saw a vintage gaming shirt on Pinterest. I uploaded a design on Redbubble before Merch by Amazon, and it started getting clicks and likes, so I moved it to Amazon. Instant sales. Test it before you invest. Only upload designs that show demand. If you don't want to design the shirts yourself, here are your best options. Placeit. It's easy, it's DIY. You can use templates for quick designs. Canva. It's free, and you can even make text-based designs with their fonts. Fiverr, you can outsource it cheaply, and I've definitely done this in the past. You can hire designers for even under $10. Kittl, which is a pro-level design, you can create custom graphics for higher quality shirts. So that's how you find trending Merch by Amazon shirts that actually sell. So step 1, look for high demand, low competition shirt niches. Then you use Amazon, Google Trends, Merch Informer, and TikTok to find hot trends. Validate demand before you upload. You don't want to waste your time. Then get high quality designs using Placeit, Canva, or Fiverr. So what Merch by Amazon niche are you thinking of selling in? Drop a comment down below. I'd love to hear your ideas. If you need more help setting up Merch by Amazon, check out my video here. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more Merch by Amazon content.